Hey guys, welcome to this video on data furnishers. In this video, I'm going to cover everything you need to know about data furnishers and how to handle them, and also how to dispute them in the Creditfixrr software. Okay, I'd like to read something real quick about the term data furnishers from Google. The term data furnishers refers to the entities or organizations that provide information about consumers, credit histories, and payment behaviors to credit reporting agencies. Data furnishers can include banks, credit card companies, mortgage lenders, auto providers, and other financial institutions that extend credit to consumers. These data furnishers are responsible for providing accurate and up-to-date information to credit reporting agencies, which is then used to generate credit reports and credit scores for consumers. This information can include credit account balances, payment history, account status, and other financial data that can impact a consumer's creditworthiness. Accurate and timely reporting by data furnishers is critical to maintaining the integrity of the credit reporting system and ensuring fair access to credit for consumers. Okay, that was the explanation of the term data furnishers. Now, as you can see here, you see about 15 data furnishers. Now, these data furnishers are grouped by different categories. Essentially, these data furnishers are basically reporting information about you to Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. So what's happening is you send a dispute in. The first thing that they do is they will reach down to these data furnishers to verify certain information about you so that, let's say, for instance, you have an auto loan and you go bad on the auto loan. They will reach out to LexisNexis Clue report and they will determine or find out if you ever had an auto loan. And then if they do, then they'll automatically mark that account verified. So what you want to do is you want to place a security freeze on that information so that the credit reporting agencies do not have access to your personal information. You have to understand that this is your personal information. You have every right to control what information is shared about you. You've never asked LexisNexis or any one of these data furnishers to store and or share your personal information with anyone or any organization. You never gave them permission to do that or permissible purpose to do that. So Congress gives you the power to actually place a security freeze on any information about you. So you can do this even with the credit reporting agencies. So with all that in mind, let me explain to you some of these categories. You have supplementary reports. Now, these reports are very similar to Experian, Equifax, TransUnion reports. Low income and subprime. These are basically like the check cashing places. If you ever got a loan from a check cashing place, they report that data and information to companies like Clarity. Now, let's see, personal property insurance. Again, this is homeowners insurance, auto insurance like that. They'll report to LexisNexis Clue. RealPage, that's tenant screening if you ever rented an apartment. Employment screening, if you ever apply for a job, they'll store that information with First Advantage. That's how they do background checks, right? Check systems, if you ever submitted a bad check or a fraudulent check, you might have been put in check systems. You can't open up a bank account. So these are the different types of data furnishers that you can place security freezes on. So let me show you guys how to place security freeze within Creditfixrr. It's very simple. So you can select up to 10. I'm going to select just a few of these. A dispute. Now, I'm going to click on data furnishers. Data furnishers are here. Now, notice you have security freeze, request for disclosure attack, and request an investigation. You can actually dispute with whatever's on your credit reports with these data furnishers. Now, request for disclosure attack, that's basically asking for any and all information that's being reported about you on your credit file with them. So you can request all that information is yours, so you are free to request that information. Security freeze. Now, this is the security freeze letter. This is where you place a block on your information being shared with the credit reporting agencies like Experian, Equifax, TransUnion, or any organization or person that requests this information. Now, you can also unfreeze this information whenever you decide to, all right? But let me go ahead and create this security freeze letter. I'm going to click create. And I also want to say this, you want to place a security freeze before you start disputing. It only makes sense, right? So before you start disputing any accounts, you want to place these security freezes prior to disputing because it gives you the extra edge of success by doing this. So they can't verify certain information. Now, this is the letter. Notice that you have all of the selected accounts that you selected. You just click create letter and it's going to generate all, in this case, 6. Once that's done, it's done. Now you go to dispute letter tracker and you see your letters. You can send all 6 of these. You can download them or you can send them certified mail directly from the software, right? So I'm going to just send these 3 in bulk. Pay mail. And that's how you dispute or generate dispute letters to data furnishers within the Creditfixrr software. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and check out the next videos. All right. Bye now.